We have already 3 packages are already awarded. Land acquisition is completed, and I feel that this highway is going to be an economic corridor between Karnataka and Tamil Nadu, and it's very important. And it is within a month we will make the foundation ceremony. We are requesting the Prime Minister also, and we will also discuss with the Chief Minister. Today I have a meeting with him, and we will decide the date.
So what about Salem-Chennai Green Expressway? What about Salem-Chennai 8 days road?
Actually, today I have a review meeting. I will take the review of all this project, and after that I will talk with you and I will give the answer.
Sir, you are emphasizing, sir. Petrol diesel price is hike is very huge.
So my suggestion is this is the time for the country to go for alternative fuel. I am already propagating the fuel, electric as a fuel, because India is surplus in electricity. And now the 81% of lithium ion battery now we are making in India. And today my ministry has taken initiative to get in alternative for lithium ion also, for aluminum ion, steel ion, then hydrogen fuel cell, air ion, and our all laboratories concerning laboratories of Indian government, they are doing research. We are also, I am the transport ministry, trying to develop hydrogen fuel cell. So they are making more alternative for the fossil fuel is the most important thing for the country. Presently we have import of 8 lakh crores. The problem is that when the world market, the price of fossil fuel is increased, there is no option because 70% of the fossil fuel we are importing. So my suggestion is, actually 8 days before, we have launched a tractor, and tractor was on bio-CNG, and we can make bio-CNG from cotton straw, wheat straw, rice straw, bagasse, even from municipal waste. Getting methane from it in the wastewater plant, that bifurcate methane from CO2, we get bio-CNG. So we need to expedite the alternative fuel industry and making the fuel diversification of agriculture towards energy and power sector. Even Tamil Nadu is one of the important states. I will request to state government to encourage making fuel from agriculture field and giving opportunity to farmers to get more revenue from that.
Any extension for FASTag? Any extension for FASTag? Anything else?
No extension. The cow dung is already a successful industry. 300 industry want to open in village area, they already applied. The training is going on in Jaipur, and I am confident that my dream is to make every paint industry they can purchase cow dung by 5 rupees per kg, and one cow will give at least the income of something 4 to 5,000 to the farmer. And when they have 3 or 4 cows, then it can get 20 to 25 rupees from cow dung. So this is my dream. We are going to support. Thank you.
சென்னையில் மத்திய அமைச்சர் நிதின் கட்கரி செய்தியாளர்களை சந்தித்த அந்த காட்சிகளை பார்த்தோம். ஃபாஸ்டாக் நடைமுறைக்கு இனி கால அவகாசம் வழங்கப்பட மாட்டாது என்று தெரிவித்திருக்கிறார்.
உடனுக்குடன் செய்திகளை தெரிந்து கொள்ள சன் நியூஸ் பெல் ஐகானை கிளிக் பண்ணுங்க.